Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am participating in an open collaboration which is being hosted by Kimberly Davis with Diva Designing on a Dime, as well as Kenya with Kenya's Decor Corner. Guys, if you'd like to see my tablescape, keep watching. Alright guys, this is what my tablescape looks like for fall 2018. Let me give you an overview of what everything looks like, and then I'll go up close and tell you, or try to tell you, where everything came from. Okay, we were also supposed to do a DIY. I uploaded that video yesterday. I will put the link in the description box if you'd like to check that out. But I noticed when I decorated my table that I covered the entire DIY. So I ended up doing this floral arrangement as my DIY. Okay, so I will start with the two lanterns. I got these lanterns a while back. I believe they came from Home Goods, and they were maybe like $24.99. Like I said, I've had them for a little while. I recently hauled these fall pumpkins. All right, and they're in that white with gold. And then at a yard sale, I got these candle holders with the bling. The lady wanted $1 for each piece. She had 8 pieces, but I asked her if she would take 5, so I ended up getting all 8 for $5. So I'm super excited to be using it in my tablescape. The flowers that are displayed on the table, I got also at a yard sale. I got a super huge box, which I showed you guys in a haul, and that box was only $3. Okay, and I set up my table as if we were having brunch. So we are using smaller plates. I will start with the appetizer plate that I got from Target. It's in the shape of a pumpkin. They were 2 in a pack for $3. Then I showed in a haul the plate on the bottom. I got from the Goodwill. I got 4 in a set for $2. The plate on top I just hauled from Goodwill. They were 8 in a pack for also $2. And then that pumpkin came from the Dollar Tree. My napkin holder, as you can see, it's a really pretty little owl. I didn't like how my napkin sat in there, so I just, displayed it by itself. And I actually wrapped the napkin around the plate. The reason why I did it as a brunch style is because I wanted to use smaller plates, because I did not want to cover up the placemat, and that's why I set the tables to the side. I thought the placemats are so beautiful, I did not want to hide them. Okay, these champagne glasses, I got 4 in a set at a yard sale for $2. This cup and saucer set, I also got in a yard sale. It was 6 cups and 6 saucers, and I paid $2. Alright guys, and then you guys remember the owl that I got from Dollar Tree. And then inside those felt leaves, I spray painted them gold. There's also some pumpkins in there. I don't know if you can see them. I got them a long time ago. First they were, I want to say they were cream, and then I painted it gold, and now I painted it that green so it will match the table mats. Alright, and guys, all the tables are set the exact same way. Here's my buffet style setting. The 2 pumpkins, they came from Ross. Okay, the 2 owl candle holders I got at a yard sale for $1 each. This juice dispenser I got at a yard sale for $2. It is really, really pretty. Okay, and then my servingware I got from Ross for $14.99. Well guys, this is the end of my video. As always, it gives me great pleasure to serve you guys by making this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Again, thanks to Kimberly Davis with Diva Designing on a Dime, as well as Kenya with Kenya's Decor Corner for hosting this collaboration. There will be a link in my description box down below to the playlist of everyone who's been participating in this collaboration. Guys, please visit their channel and show them some love by subscribing. Again, guys, thank you so very much for taking your precious time to watch this video. Everybody be blessed. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.